Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm going to show you how to make this grilled vegetable pasta salad. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious. It has a smoky taste to it. This is the perfect lunch to take to work during the week because it's so quick and easy to make. You will never miss eating a sandwich again. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 new videos every single week of quick and easy recipes, and they're always fast and fresh, and they have a unique twist to them. Now, let's get started. For this pasta salad, I'm going to be starting off by roasting my vegetables. I have here 2 zucchinis, some summer yellow squash, a bell pepper, and some red onion. I'm slicing these about 1/4 inch thick, and I'm going to be tossing them with some olive oil and garlic salt and some pepper. And these are going to go straight onto the grill pan. You could barbecue these or simply just place them right over your fire. Roast these until they're slightly charred and soft. The next step is to boil the pasta. I have here tricolored spirals. You could really use any type of pasta that you have or even spaghetti. Take all your grilled vegetables and cut them into fairly small bite-sized pieces. As you can see, I have some roasted red peppers in a jar to the side that I will be using. You can always roast a fresh red bell pepper on the grill, or you can use these. Everything is going to be put into a big bowl along with some fresh parsley, some grated Parmesan cheese, and about 1 cup of Italian dressing. Mix everything together well and your pasta salad is ready to eat. Like I was saying, this makes a great lunch to munch on during the week. The grilled veggies give this salad a slightly smoky barbecue taste. Everyone is going to love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below on your thoughts and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.